Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I am going to show you how you can link your Core EVM wallet on your Satoshi app so that you can receive your AKK token when they will do the distribution. First of all, let's go to the announcement and follow the instruction. So now you can see the announcement here. They just finished the airdrop on AKK tokens. You can see the submission period is 28th October to 30th November 2024. See the exact time. So we are going to submit our Core EVM wallet as our Core EVM wallet address on this Satoshi app. Now let's go to the wallet. I'm going to show you the steps you need to follow. So when you come to this AKK token, you click on it. You click on withdraw. You can see link withdraw address. You click on link withdraw address. Now this is where we are going to stop for here. Now we are going to move over to Metamask. If you don't have Metamask, go to Play Store and download Metamask. So we are going to log into Metamask now. So just hold on. So when we open our Metamask, we go to network. You click on network. You click on network, you select Core. For those of you that have added Core to your Metamask, now we are going to copy the Core EVM wallet address. This is the Core EVM wallet address over here. You copy it here. For those of you that did Core DAO connection, you can see we have received our token. You can see it here. So make sure you receive your token on your Core DAO here. You can see it. So now we have copied this wallet address. We are going to go back to Satoshi app. Now, this is Satoshi app. You click here and paste the wallet address here. This is the Core EVM wallet address. When you paste it here, we are going to put our Satoshi, the password that we use on our Satoshi app here. And then we click on connect. So guys, they will send you a code. You receive a code. So you are going to paste that code here and then you click on confirm. So when you click on confirm, you can see AKA withdraw address link is successful. So you close it. So you can see that we have linked our wallet address. So when they will distribute this airdrop, we are going to receive it on our Core EVM wallet address. We are going to receive it here. It's going to appear here. It's going to appear here. So for those of you that have not been able to link your Core wallet address on your MetaMask, I have made a video on how to do that. Check my video, my previous videos. You will be able to know how to link your Core wallet address on your MetaMask. You can see we have already linked it here. I'm also going to drop the link on how you can be able to link it on your MetaMask wallet address. So guys, thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe so that when next I post another video, you will get a notification.